Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the JDM tuners by Jada toys, and this is 2002 Honda NSX Type R, and this is the Japan spec, and this one is a wide body one. As you can see here, designer series, John Siebel Design Works, and I never heard about this one. If you guys know something about it, please drop it in the comments. This looked so awesome, so I bought it. I bought 3 of it. Actually I missed 2, which is these 2 I actually missed out. So even though it was there, I actually missed it out. So I do have this Nissan, but in a different color, like white with some kind of blue trim, I guess. I will unbox that maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, let's unbox this one first and see how this one looks. I'm actually excited to unbox this one, because I do have some Jada toys, especially the Fast and Furious franchise. I do have a lot of those. I will be unboxing those maybe at some point, maybe soon. So I just thought of doing this 1:34 or 1:36 or 1:, I think 48, I guess, and 1:24 weekend or the entire week. But let's see how that goes. So based on how this is going to be, views going to get, so I'll just decide upon that one. So let me just put this aside. Okay, it is actually screwed to the bottom. Yeah, it has a screw. So just give me a minute, guys. I'll just unscrew this one and we can look more about the car. Okay, so I unscrewed it, guys. So here it is. Yeah, it is done. So let's put this aside. So let's talk about the car here. So the first impressions of this car, it looks so beautiful, especially with this wide body kit here. It has some dust inside it. I know, so it actually has, Jada toys actually collects a lot of dust. I don't know how they packed it. So here it is. Here is the detailing on the bottom, the chassis. So here it is. Okay, so this one is the 1:32 scale. So I usually get confused between this 1:32 and there is one more, I think 1:48, because it doesn't have much difference. So it has some awesome details to it, so especially the details here. And this one has openable doors. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Yeah. So Jada toys became so popular recently, and so the rims look so awesome, both front and rear wheel. So I thought this was a pullback car, but I don't think so. It has some good detailing to the headlights. It is tinted, but you can still see the lights inside. That one is cool. So especially the wide body kit is so awesome. And okay, so the body is actually made of metal, and even this piece is made of metal. So this one is made of plastic. Let me just check it once. Yeah, this one is made of plastic, and chassis is made of plastic. So even the tail light switches actually does some kind of acrylics, and the exhaust details are here, which is really nice. So let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have suspension, and it is free rolling. I honestly thought this one is a pullback car, but it is really good. I bought this one. It is not really that heavy. This one feels actually like Kinsmart ones. But one difference about the Kinsmart one and this one is most of the Kinsmart ones actually has rear view mirrors. Specifically, you can see the Pagani. I do have few. I think around 6 or 7 more. I will be doing a video of those later, in the upcoming months. So it doesn't have any grill details here, so that is a bit disappointing. So I bought this for 1,000 rupees, I guess. Yeah. So the tires are actually made of rubber, but I personally love the color combination of this, the paint scheme, and the detailing on the entire car overall. The paint job is actually nice. It doesn't have any bubbling or anything. The hood looks so cool. It looks really menacing actually. Personally love this one. Okay, so here it is. The logo detailing and everything is really nice. So that's it for today guys. So if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.